Dear viewer, congratulations on my practical study channel. Everybody, good morning. Today, I want to share some word meaning and some sentence for improving our speaking English. Let's practice with me. You can see 8 words on the whiteboard. The first word is window. Window means janala. House, next one, house. House means gor. Village, village means gram. Road means rasta. Very means খুব. Big means বড়. Clean means পরিষ্কার. Font means পুকুর. Let's see some sentence with this word. If you want to say ঘরের একটি জানালা, how can we say this? ঘরের একটি জানালা. We can say, let me take my pen. ঘরের একটি জানালা, how can we write this? Janala means window. ঘর, house. So we can say the ঘরের একটি জানালা, a window, W-I-N-D-O-W, window of the house, H-O-U-S, house. Next one, ঘরের জানালাটি, ঘরের জানালাটি. So we can say the window, W-I-N-D-O-W, window of the house, H-O-U-S-E, house. Next one, গ্রামের একটি রাস্তা, গ্রামের, village, রাস্তা, road. So we can say একটি মানে a. So a road, R-O-A-D, road. Sorry. গ্রামের একটি রাস্তা, a road, R-O-A-D, road of the village, V-I-L-L-A-G-E, village. Last one, গ্রামের রাস্তাটি, গ্রামের রাস্তাটি. So we can say the road, R-O-A-D, road of the village, well, A-Z-E, village. So I can say that if you want to speak English, you should say every day, every time, day by day, little by little. Your speaking English never come overnight. You should practice day by day. Don't worry. And if you want to improve with me, subscribe my channel and stay with me. Thank you very much for your patience here. See you again on some other video.